Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a highly requested video. I took a poll and most of you guys wanted to see this video right here. And this video is going to be all about the Denman brush. So we're going to get his hair from this to really curly just by using a brush and some gel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this because it's not just one way. You have to use, it's basically a two-in-one brush. So you actually detangle it and then you curl it by using the black side. I'll explain later, but there's tricks to it. So I'll get into that later. Anything you have to say?
Nope.
No? You're just ready to get your hair done?
Yep.
Pretty much. He reaps the benefits. Anyways, let's get right into it.
Alrighty.
So we're starting off with wet hair. I'm first going to start by sectioning off the first piece of hair that I'm going to work with. Then you're just going to take your Denman brush and focus on using the white bristles to detangle your hair. Now I say that because, as I mentioned earlier, there is a second way to use this brush which focuses on getting curls, which I'll show you in the next step. So as you can see, the detangling process is really easy. It really glides through the hair and make sure to get all the knots out. If you are someone that struggles with detangling, I would say to pick out your hair in the shower first and then go in with this detangling brush. Then I'm just going to divide up this section into smaller sections. I then go in with 𝗣𝗿𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃 gel so that it can actually hold the curls once it's formed. And as you can see, once I apply the 𝗣𝗿𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃 gel, some curls do form, but it's still not looking like a real curl. So I take my Denman brush, and this time I'm going to focus on using the red part and the black part of the brush. So as you can see, once I put the brush through the hair, I kind of angle the brush like I'm doing a curling motion. So here's a little before and after. As you can see, there is a big difference and there is major shrinkage. Now I just want to let everybody know that with Denman brush on all hair types, even my hair when I use it, Denman brush will give you major shrinkage. So again, just twirl the brush as you're going down the hair. And then yeah, you're pretty much going to do that for each section. Depending on how long your hair is, it may take longer, but it actually doesn't take that long. I would say about 20 minutes maybe, depending how fast you are and obviously if you're getting used to the brush. An easier way to explain using this brush as a curler is to just imagine when you're putting the brush through your hair to make sure that the white bristles are pointing to the ceiling. Now this is really key if you want the Denman brush to actually work for your hair and curl your hair. If you don't do this, then you're not going to be using the Denman brush right and you're not going to get the results you want. I want you guys to carefully look when I do apply the 𝗣𝗿𝗃𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃 gel. It does curl up the hair a little bit, but not as much as the Denman brush actually forms the curls and makes it clump together. You can even just tell by looking at the before and after of his hair, the big difference. So here are the results. Of course you can tell that these curls are popping, and as he pulls it down you can tell there's major shrinkage. That's just life. But what matters right now is the curls. The curls are definitely defined. Like, look at that little baby curl. It's so cute. Now, as you can see, his hair is super short, like mad short right now. And so we're going to try and stretch it out a bit, and I'm going to show you guys how. Just to give it a little bit more volume and a little bit more of a lift. So we're just going to take a blow dryer and put it on low speed, low heat, and take a pick and put it through his roots and lift up and stop at the halfway mark. You don't want to ruin the curls by going through the whole hair. You just want to stop at the roots. So this is going to make the roots stand up a bit and let it dry like that, giving it a bit more length. And these are the results. So you can tell that the hair is actually lifted and is a little bit higher. We had to kind of rush it because we were going out. But if you take your time and actually let the roots dry as you're lifting, then you'll see a bigger difference. But for him right now, it looks a lot better than how squished and compact it was before. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you guys decide to try it out, let me know if it worked for you. Comment down below any other videos you want to see, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe!